Want to master the art of cooking? It's easier than you might think. Welcome to a journey of culinary exploration, where we'll unfold 15 clever hacks that can elevate your cooking skills from ordinary to extraordinary. Imagine the satisfaction of creating dishes that not only taste fantastic, but also impress everyone around the table. Whether you're an amateur home cook or a seasoned pro, these tips are designed to help you navigate your kitchen with ease. So buckle up and get ready to transform your culinary skills. Hack number 1, ice cube trays aren't just for ice. Picture this. Your recipe calls for a bit of fresh basil, but the supermarket only sells it in bunches. Avoid the waste and keep your herbs fresh by freezing them in an ice cube tray. Here's how. Chop up your fresh herbs, distribute them into the compartments of an ice cube tray, pour in some olive oil, and freeze. There you go. No more waste, and you'll always have fresh herbs on hand. For our second hack, wave goodbye to the hassle of peeling garlic. Here's how to peel garlic like a seasoned pro. Simply take a whole head of garlic, break it apart, and toss the cloves into a sturdy jar. Secure the lid tightly, then give it a good shake. The peels will separate from the cloves effortlessly. It's almost like magic. So next time you're chopping up garlic for your favorite recipe, remember this handy hack. With this trick, you'll never dread peeling garlic again. Our third hack will have you poaching eggs like a professional chef. Let's dive into the whirlpool method. First, bring a pot of water to a gentle simmer. Crack your egg into a small bowl, then swirl the water in the pot to create a whirlpool. Gently slide the egg into the center of the whirlpool. The swirling water will help the egg white wrap around the yolk, giving you a perfectly poached egg every time. With this hack, breakfast will never be the same again. Our fourth hack is a real tear saver. Have you ever battled tears while chopping onions? Well, it's time to turn the tables. The trick is to peel and cut onions under running water. The water traps the sulfuric compounds that cause our eyes to water before they can reach our eyes. So next time you're in the kitchen, just turn on the tap, start chopping, and let the water do its magic. Say goodbye to those pesky onion tears. For our fifth hack, we're turning to everyone's favorite, bacon. Getting that perfect crisp can be a game changer. Here's a little secret. Ditch the frying pan and embrace your oven. Lay out your bacon strips on a baking sheet. Pop it in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it sizzle for about 20 minutes or until you see the desired crispiness. No more splattering, no more uneven cooking. With this hack, you'll always have perfectly crispy bacon. Let's recap the clever hacks we've learned today. First, we discovered how ice cube trays can transform the way we store herbs, keeping them fresh and ready to use at a moment's notice. Next, we mastered the art of peeling garlic like a pro, saving us time and effort in the kitchen. The third hack showed us the secret to the perfect poached egg, taking our brunch game to a whole new level. We then learned an ingenious trick to stop us from crying over onions, making chopping them a breeze. And finally, we unveiled the secret to perfectly crisp bacon, ensuring every breakfast is a delight. Each of these hacks is not just a trick, but a step towards becoming more proficient and creative in our culinary journeys. They save time, reduce waste, and elevate the quality of our dishes. With these hacks, you're on your way to mastering the art of cooking. Happy cooking, everyone!